Narito tayo ngayon sa SM Mall of Asia by the Bay upang saksihan ang taunang Christmas tree lighting na bibigyan liwanag ng Firefly Lighting at Royo Electrical na may temang Celebrate the Moments.
Ngayong papalapit na at ramdam na natin ang Kapaskuhan, muling pinangunahan at binigyan liwanag ng Firefly Lighting kasama ang Royo Electrical Company ang Christmas tree lighting na ginanap sa SM Mall of Asia by the Bay na may temang Celebrate Moments with Firefly and Royo. Ayon sa Assistant Brand Manager ng Firefly Lighting na si Jem Bandiola, mula sa tema noong nakaraang taon na Celebrate New Beginnings, nabuo rin ang konsepto ng lighting event ngayong taon.
So actually the theme for this year is Celebrate Moments with Firefly and Royo. So it actually comes from last year's theme, no? Because the theme from last year is Celebrate New Beginnings with Firefly. So kaya Celebrate New Beginnings, it's really because last year it was after the pandemic. Kumbaga, hindi pa super comfortable yung mga tao that they're going out. Some are still wearing masks, diba? And we are just slowly going back to normal. But yung connect kasi noon for this year's event is that from new beginnings, diba? You create new memories, you create new moments, diba? And you meet new people, new friends along the way. So that's why we want to encourage people or Filipinos to celebrate these new moments with Firefly and Royo, especially this holiday season.
Ayon pa sa kanya, marami rin silang inihandang booths, games, and activities para makapagbigay ng positive energy, inspirations, moments to share at maiparamdam din sa mga Pilipino ang diwa ng Pasko.
And what better way to celebrate moments by creating opportunities for them to really create moments with their friends, diba? With their families, with their children. By having booths, we have different activities now in the area wherein they can play different games, they can spend time with their loved ones, and in the process, they get to win a prize.
Dalawa naman mula sa DZRH 90.7 Love Radio Manila na si Conyo Bicolano at Robin Siena ang naging tagapagdaloy ng Christmas tree lighting event. At sa ganap naman ng 6:30 ng hapon, opisyal nang inilawan ang 75-feet giant Christmas tree na sinamahan pa ng kahanga-hangang lighting sequence sabay sa awit na Joy to the World Pentatonix version at ng isang fireworks display sa pagtatapos.
Naghatid naman ng saya at naipadama sa mga dumalo at nakinood ang diwa ng Pasko sa ginanap na Christmas tree lighting event.
Magaan sa feeling tsaka maganda sa paningin at nakaka-excite po kasi nararamdaman mo na yung Pasko, papalapit na.
Sobrang nag-bring back yung memory sa amin ng childhood and na-enjoy namin yung palayas and yung mga performance.
Umbaga po, mas lalong na po yung Pasko.
Mula sa kauna-unahan sa Pilipinas, DZRH, ito si Rovic Manuel, tuloy-tuloy sa pagbabalita, tuloy-tuloy sa serbisyo. Sama-sama tayo, Pilipino.